Hi, welcome to Infront Training. My name is Mark Wheatley. We'll cover today Runbook Automation with System Center 2012 Orchestrator. This is one of our custom crafted classes from Infront. We develop inspired experience-based courses, and we do that because we have the staff that works with these subjects, with these customers on these subjects daily. So we have over a dozen System Center most valued professionals who contribute to this training course. This differs from other companies who just have courseware authors. We update our content regularly. We're not satisfied just to keep something static. We know this is a rapidly changing industry. So we do focus and specialize completely on System Center at Infront. We do services, software, and of course, training. So with our course in Orchestrator, we go farther than other training providers because we are deeply concerned to help you deliver the true business value using this and other System Center tools. We are a CPLS, a certified provider of learning solutions with Microsoft, and as such we can accept your software assurance training vouchers to help reduce your costs of training for certain courses. We do practice what we teach. We have cloud automated our labs to be available 24 hours a day for the duration of your class. And these are available worldwide. Your instructor will have extensive experience compared with anyone else and any other training provider because they work with this subject regularly. We do treat you as an individual. We don't treat you as sort of a bland, generic student. We listen to your needs as a part of every class. We gather your expectations at the outset. So we have of the utmost concern not to waste your valuable time in any way at all, but to get maximum value out of this. So what do we do? On day one out of the 3-day class, we start with the architecture of Orchestrator. We fill in any gaps with terminology. We realize this has changed names a few times and the working parts have also changed names. And we reveal how the data flows and how this product works. We then deal with the various interfaces and runbook settings, and mostly in the runbook designer. We cover what parts of a runbook there are and how to create it, and how this automation and indeed orchestration really works. We have hands-on labs, so it's not enough to demonstrate and talk about these subjects, but we make sure that you are able to deliver and practice and thus walk away from this class with some skills you can immediately put to work. We cover runbook basics. We cover guidance. Anyone can just produce a runbook, but will it work efficiently? Will it work at all? And so on. So we cover various aspects of runbook creation on this first day. Throughout, we can escalate any tough questions to any of our staff members who are the MVPs in System Center. What do we do on day two? We start with more advanced runbook concepts, such as nesting runbooks, calling subroutines, looping, iteration, various link logic variables, and more features that we didn't visit on the first day. Then we cover how to create complex workbooks using the query WMI and the query XML methods and more. We cover error handling, so debugging, and we cover indeed the whole lifecycle management of how to handle runbooks. These are to be treated like other software. And the new Orchestrator web service is certainly a part of our class too. And throughout we have those hands-on labs. We make this a healthy balance, and this changes slightly from days 1, 2, and 3 based on demand, and things are more applicable. The more skills you develop and hear about, the more you want to apply them. So the lab content increases day by day. And on the third day, finally, we cover third-party runbooks and System Center runbooks, of course, the integration packs, various scenarios, and examples. So how we extend System Center Orchestrator to cover things that are more esoteric in your need to cover them. We also cover troubleshooting, more debugging, advanced administration of runbooks, how to handle the detailed logging, and lots of configuration tricks. A lot of tips and tricks that we've picked up we pass on in our class. And then we get quite advanced when we go to how to architect, how to create or author an integration pack. You create an integration pack with the OIT, or Orchestrator Integration Toolkit. And as usual, we have more labs on the third day, as you might expect. And everyone goes away with skills in their pocket and ready to apply. Well, what do you do next? If you're interested in this kind of training, please visit us at our website, www.infrontconsulting.com/services education, or you can email us if you're interested in registering for a class at training@infrontconsulting.com. Thanks very much and look forward to seeing you in class.